I realized that most of the 3D printers in the market, they fall into two groups. High resolution but very expensive, or affordable but in poor quality. That's why we decided Moonray to bridge the gap between quality and price.
I think the best design is the one that is out of the way. And when we designed Moonray, we decided that we should take all the clutter and all the things that make a product more less understandable and minimize it to something that is more useful. Most of the 3D printers have a consumable resin tank, but we took on this great challenge of redesigning it in a way that you don't have to replace it after every print that you make. So it's more durable and it lasts longer.
The heart of every high-resolution 3D printer is the resin curing unit. Most 3D printers use either laser or commercial projectors to do this. But we developed our own custom-built UV DLP projector. We call it Ray 1. It lasts for 50,000 hours and it's able to create parts as fine as 100 micron resolution.
Yeah, what makes Moonray special and attractive, I think, is the resolution. I haven't seen that tight of resolution on a desktop SLA printer that's available for the price that it's at as well.
There's always been a few different challenges in 3D prints. One is not only being able to have it smooth from the print, or a lot of post-processing. And the Moonray allows me to be able to have minimal post-processing. And then also the support structure usually creates a lot of different points on a 3D print that have to be cleaned up later. And in this case, it was very easy to do.
In many ways, the design of the Moonray was about making it more compact and more efficient and more versatile, so it would fit in different environments.
Yeah, for the resolution, you can't beat the Moonray. The price and resolution ratio is incredible. You can't beat it. There's nothing else out there like it.
Had a couple of characters that I created in ZBrush printed on the Moonray, and I was really impressed. I was really blown away, actually. All the small details, little elements, textures, lines, everything that I created in the software came out in the characters, and that really got me excited.
The Moonray revolutionizes the opportunities that I have to run my business.
Everybody can use Moonray because it's affordable, it's easy to use, and it has the best resolution among all the desktop 3D printers.
We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We're excited to deliver Moonray to everybody and to see what they can create with it.
With thousands of Form 1s now being used by designers, engineers, and artists around the world, we've learned a few ways to improve the world's first high-resolution desktop 3D printer. And now, we're excited to present the Form 1 Plus. First, we've added a new laser that is 4 times more powerful, cutting print time by up to 50%. At the heart of the machine's precision and resolution is a new galvanometer control system that moves the laser more quickly and accurately than the previous generation. The redesigned peel mechanism is stronger and more durable, reducing wear for better reliability. And finally, our new injection molded resin tanks are now made with orange light-blocking acrylic, allowing you to store your unused resin outside the printer whenever necessary. Thanks to these new additions, you'll be able to 3D print with increased ease, precision, and speed. That's why we're excited to introduce you to the Form 1 Plus.
Pauline needs to 3D print the jewel she has just created. Henry wants to make the PCB he has designed. Roberta would like to engrave an image on plywood for an original present. What do these people have in common? Great ideas! Wouldn't it be nice to have a single device to do all of this? How can we help them make these ideas real? We have already developed the most affordable, high-quality, resin-based 3D printer last year. But we want to do more. This is LumiPocket LT, all-in-one, resin-based 3D printer, laser engraver,
enclosure on the inside, ulcer on the outside,
UV PCB etcher. We are Lumi Industry. We have developed different models, produced and shipped them to our backers. We know how to turn an idea into a product. We are now presenting LumiPocket LT, and we have tons of new innovative ideas to make your 3D printing experience unique. Here are some samples of things we are working on, and believe me, you will want to see them produced. Only your support will make them real.
We're the team behind Tico. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is Tico, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Tico sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. Tico has an internal filament tray, enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device. With Tico, we've not only set a new standard for design, but for price too. Tico is only $179. Yup, $179. That's the beauty of unibody design. It's better and it costs less to manufacture. We could set the price higher, but we want everyone to have a Tico. This is where we need your help. We use 3D printing to create Tico. Imagine all the ideas that could become realities. Imagine what you could build. Back us today, and let's find out.
Reliable, right out of the box. And this is why Nia was created. Nia is round, sexy, and minimalistic, but not without cause. Nia's cylindrical shape adds to the overall strength and stability compared to conventional box-shaped printers. We know that desktop real estate is crucial. That's why Nia's footprint to build volume is unmatched. We like to say, you got room for a lamp, you got room for a Nia. Out of the box, Nia is ready to print with easy-to-use, feature-rich software and our very own Cool Spool filament cartridge. However, feel free to use any open-source software and third-party filament that is compatible. Nia will give you the print quality and speed of an expensive machine, but at a much more affordable price. But don't let the prices fool you. Nia is made smart, not cheap. Our printers are designed, manufactured, and assembled right here in North America, using only high-end electronic components and hardware. And in order to be future-ready, Nia is modular. Once upgrades are available, easily swap out the standard components for future innovations that are already in the works. Don't be left behind with an obsolete unit. It's the best of both worlds. Beautiful like a Mac, whoa, but upgradable like a PC. Moving on. Neat Stuff is our online community where users can download, share, and market their creations. Our goal is to make 3D printing more accessible and friendly, which is why Neat Stuff will also include Nia-specific video tutorials and educational tools. Crowdfunding is a great way to market a product, but campaigns that don't live up to their hype and promises are becoming all too common. We had to remove any internal doubt by making sure that our prototypes were not just smoke and mirrors, but actual 3D printers that worked well. Unveiling at CES this year proved just that. People walking by were skeptical, as they should be. But when they stopped, got their hands on Nia, learned the differences, and actually saw it printing, they got super excited. We heard from you, the user, what you liked and what you didn't. We learned what's important and what matters, which further reinforces why we think you'll love Nia just as much as we do. With your feedback at CES, we've made Nia even better, and we can't wait to share it with you. Nia printers will be available online and in stores shortly after fulfillment. But we want to give it to you guys, the community, first, and at a ridiculously low price that will never be available again. With your help, we want to make a buzz in the 3D community. Show it off to your friends and family. Quality 3D printing has never been this easy and affordable. Nia is available in 3 sizes and a bunch of different colors. Which one's right for you?